everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for daily spirit messages from Aries to Pisces for 11th of August 2020, and there will be timestamp given for all the zodiacs in the description and in the comment box below. Okay, so just check it out so that you don't have to check out all the all the zodiac reading. Okay, so yes, Angel of Strength. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to do a donation via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to join 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so guys, this is for Aries. Okay, Aries, Angel of Strength. If I want the support of the guidebook, I will be taking it because these are new cards. I've ordered it day before yesterday, so yeah, 159. Personal power and inner strength. But when this card is in reverse, that means that you are not perceiving the truth of your own power. Perhaps you are seeing yourself as weak or inflexible. The situation you find yourself in may seem overwhelming, but you absolutely do have the strength to see it through your successful outcome. Don't fall into any old patterns of giving your own power away. When you let others define you or make decisions on your behalf, you take yourself out of the picture of your own destiny and creation. Meditate on the brilliant vibrating light of this angel and recall the eternal power and surges through your life. It's time to take back your control. Deep within is an abiding strength in yourself. Okay, so someone is feeling weak today here, and someone is someone else is taking your own power, like you are not into your own power, so you have to regain your power back. And 5 is all about worriness, sadness, or thinking about something, confused energy. Okay, so it is you are thinking about something, you are confused about something, but feeling weak about something as well. Okay, so yes, guys, this is for Aries. Okay, now Taurus. I'm writing the timestamp so that you don't have to you don't have to worry for the same. Taurus. I'm taking the thinking man and rest I'm keeping it inside. Okay, so 4 plus 6, 10. So 10 is all about completion, endings, and major new beginnings. So you are Taurus. You are thinking about ending something, ending either a relationship, ending a career, switching up of a job, ending a particular situation. Okay, or you're thinking that when it will be ending. Okay, so you're thinking about ending a something or a situation to be end. Okay, so yes, kindly bear with me with the background sound, guys. Okay, I cannot help it out because these are my neighbors which are doing it, so I cannot help it out. Okay, so yes, guys, so this is for Chandines. What? Oh ho, Gemini's broken heart. Angel number 9. Okay, so Geminis, you are healing yourself, you are moving away, you are moving forward, you are moving on from a heartbreak, from a situation which caused you a major heartbreak. It might be a relationship, it might be a situation, it might be a career related thing, something which broken you internally from your heart, you're moving away from it. You're trying to heal yourself. You're getting to know yourself, and you're ready to move on with your life. That's a beautiful thing, and you will be definitely. Okay, so next is Cancerians. Cancerians. Wow. Angel of love. Angel number 49. I have to see that. Angel of love. 156. It's a beautiful card. Cancerians, it's a beautiful card. I need to tell you that. It's a very positive card for you guys, and it is related to a love, tender connections. Okay, so this beautiful angel comes with roses in her hair and rose colored wings. This is basically, she tells to everyone that are radiating tender and loving vibrations, bringing you compassion and affection. If you are looking for new love, this angel brings a message of its upcoming approach. Someone might approach you, someone might propose you, someone might reach out to you, Cancerians, this week or this month or today itself. Okay, so, or if you're longing for a deeper, more intimate connections with someone already in your life, she is here to say that far greater tenderness is available for you. Either way, remember that your first intention for tenderness must be directed inward, and the compassion that you demonstrate towards yourself will influence the energetic potential of this events of a significant way. The angel of love is smiling on you and for forging connections in the energetic realm. Okay, so in the outer world the connection has been made towards you, but either you are waiting for some sort of a message might come to you from a person, from a connection, from a friend. Okay, so who will be more than a friend to you. Okay, so yeah, just wait for it. This is a beautiful sign for a message, for accepting, for getting someone is offering a cup of love towards you. Okay, so this is the time for that. Okay, Cancerians. Now Leos. Leos. Hi Leos. I am a Leo person. Kindly comment down below, guys, how was the reading, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Okay. Leos, your energy is dull today. Okay, so I might take out one card because nothing is happening then. Appreciation. Leo, you want someone to appreciate you today. Okay, like you feel that if someone is appreciating you, or someone might appreciate you for the work you are doing, for either into a career wise, or your work, or or the fame you're gaining in the outer world. So someone might appreciate you. You might hear an appreciation from a connection also, or a love interest of you. Okay, or your spouse might be appreciating you for the things you have done. Okay, so yeah, something like that is there for you today. It's beautiful. Someone will feel proud of you. That's beautiful. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out, what's going on with Virgos. I'm writing out the time, guys, so that you don't have to worry about the same. Okay, wow, two cards flipped up, but I'm taking the first one. Door to the personal healing and happiness. Okay, guys, Virgos, you are going through some spiritual healing right now. You are understanding the facts about it, but and the doors have been opened with further spiritual awakening. Major spiritual awakening is going on, Virgos, for you, either financially or relationship wise or both. Okay, so the doors are being opening and you are ready to take a leap of faith. You are ready to take a risk towards moving towards that door, which will give you a lot of happiness in the upcoming weeks or upcoming months for you guys. Okay, angel number 34, 4 plus 3, angel number 7. So you are daydreaming about it, you are gaining a lot of clarity about a situation, about a connection, about a career. Okay, but yeah, spiritual awakening is there. Might be a karmic cycle had been, you know, completed before of this, and then a spiritual awakening is happening, and then happiness will be on the horizon for you guys. Okay, so yes guys, this is the spirit messages for you. Now Libra, let me take Libra, 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 Libra. Libra, 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 Libra. Libra, man holding a heart. Wow. Angel number 45. So I'll be reading this out. Man holding a heart. 143. Okay, male dealing with family, love and emotion. So this is for basically who are masculines. Okay, this tender man sits with flowers all around, holding a heart in his hand. For a man, this signals a greater clarity about emotions and their purpose into their life. There could be more balanced approach to family love at this time, even if this have been confusing experience for you in the past. For example, this card upright could signal the presence of a new man into your life. Okay, so for feminines, a new person might enter into your life. One who tends to be more thoughtful and aware. Whether or not this man is a love interest or a friend, he brings a high intention to help where personal projects, family or home issues are concerned. Okay, so whatever issues are you are going through, a person might enter into your life, a person might help in the form of a friend, neighbor or anyone. Okay, who will be taking an important place when it comes to issues related to family problems or situations like that. So yes, Libras. So let's check out what's going on with the Scorpios. 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 Okay. This flipped out. Door to spirits. Scorpios. Angel number 32. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. So you need to understand that Scorpios, I think today spirits will be around you. You will understand the presence of spirits around you. Okay, and they might send you universal messages. They might try to contact you in some way, shape or form. Okay, so just be aware of the spiritual messages whatever you are going through. Okay, because this is the very beautiful message for you guys. You will be understanding a lot of facts and informations about the same. I was just trying to clear the energies. Okay, so yes, door to spirits is all about understanding that some sort of some ancestral might be guiding you, some ancestral some ancestors who passed away might be protecting you from some situations. Okay, so yes, you will be understanding the presence of them today, Sagittarius. I am writing down the timestamp, guys, so that you don't have to worry with the you don't have to watch all the videos. You can just watch your particular zodiac reading. Okay. Yes. Okay, three cards have fallen down. Wow. But I am taking the first one. Okay. Sagittarius, I think 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is all about stability, structure. Okay. When it comes to financial abundance. Okay. So you are, if you are not valuing your money, or you are, thinking about your finances, or or a stability into your finances, some sort of money is about to receive. You might receive some sort of amount, okay, unexpectedly, or you don't even know that that amount is somewhere, but yeah, some sort of an amount is about to be received from to you from someone which you don't even expected, which you didn't even thought of. Okay, so yes, beautiful. And if you were not valuing money much before, you will start valuing it a lot. You'll be highly concerned about your materialistic world now. Okay, so now is Capricorns. Kindly bear with me with the background sound, guys. Okay, I cannot help it out. The Sun. Capricorns, new beginning, new life, new opportunities is waiting for you in the upcoming weeks for you. Okay, there might be you get an offer of a new project, a new collaboration, anything new beginning in everything, in every sort is possible. Okay, either career or relationship, but yeah, a new beginning is waiting for you, and you are ready to take an action to move forward in life. But new opportunity and new beginning might be giving you a huge offer which will change your life in a better way. Beautiful, guys. This is a very positive card, very 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 positive. Okay, so yes, let me check out what's going on with Aquarius. That is 725. I'm writing out the okay. Aquarius, okay, so there might be a union or a party, okay, of some sort, or a gathering, or communication with the loved ones, or the people into your career life. Some like-minded people might gather together for a small get-together type, and sharing of ideas, experiences. This is the time for creating a huge contact into your business life, into your career life, into your financial life. Okay, so if you are thinking to build up some contacts, you should. This is the perfect time to build few contacts for yourself. That is what spirits is trying to tell me. You have to build some sort of contacts into your business life, into your career life, so that it will help you in every way, shape or form possible to achieve your goal in the future. Okay, you never know that any business will help you out in some way or the other, or any contact might help you out in some way or the other. So spirits is telling me to have a sharing thing experience, build up the contacts into your career life, professional life, and in personal life. You might spend time with your family members, relatives, friends. Okay, or you might have a video call with them. Okay, so yes, guys. Pisces, 2110. Okay, Pisces, last Pisces. Okay, I'm taking the one which flipped out. The Thinking Woman. Okay, angel number 47, guys. I am reading it from 149. Okay, the thinking woman is female of wisdom and understanding. This card shows a woman holding a book standing before a staircase, ready to lead you to higher understanding. This woman could be a friend who helps you to express and understand your feelings, or she could be a teacher brought to your life at this time to take you a new direction. Okay, this could also be a new love interest with a woman who is thoughtful, conscious and aware. Or like the thinking man, the card could represent a side of yourself that's ready to blossom and bring clarity and assistance to the world. If so, find your voice and let your wisdom shine. Okay, I open my heart and mind to my inner wisdom and thoughtful, focused and clear. So this is all about, gaining a lot of wisdom and understanding the higher self. Okay, uh, there might be few friends, family members who will, give you new direction, or who will suggest you something, who advises you something, okay, towards a new life or brand new beginning or new direction. Okay, so just take their advices carefully, guys, Pisces. Okay, understand that they might be right, or a mother or a parents. Okay, so some sort of woman might give you guidance or something like that. Okay, so just be careful about the same, and because they'll be right, just focus on their messages and their advices. Okay, so yes, now universal messages for everyone. Universal messages. One collective universal messages for everyone. Okay, so we have two. Okay, envy and deceit. There may be some deception going on, just be careful about it, guys. Okay, angel number 20 and 25, 5 plus 2 7, disappointment, issues, strife, jealousy, competition might be around you. Okay, and you might feel it energetically. And two is all about, juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions, two options. Okay, so there might be few deceptions going on which you will be confused about, and there might be few of the jugglings will be going on between two things. Okay, two direction, two decision, two people, two connections. Okay, so just be careful about it. This is for all the zodiacs, a universal message. Okay, so just spirits is trying to tell me that just be aware of it, just be careful about it. Okay, guys, so yes, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys, and kindly, if you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.